Is there one that you think is easier to rank for than the other? And I'm thinking maybe local service versus like e-commerce, where there's just a plethora of different products.
Generally, Google My Business is usually pretty easy to rank. So localized keywords are easier, but like any niche, no matter what it is going to have, if a niche was untapped, then it doesn't exist. Like there's competition in every marketplace. One of our customers sells fancy dog coats, like $5,000 dog coats. It's competitive. You wouldn't believe that there's that many people spending $5,000 on a dog coat, but there is. Like any niche that you can think of, like I like the saying that there's nothing new in the world. There's someone already fighting in your market. But whatever it is, there's going to be the higher search volume keywords that are going to be more competitive, and there's always going to be some low-hanging fruit. And so that's what we look at, because remember the backlinks, the more backlinks that you have and the more domain authorities, the better you can rank. So that's where we build a strategy from and go, what's your domain authority like? What can we actually rank for? So we want to structure your website properly so you have your main category pages, even though if we're not going to be able to rank those category pages for a long time. We want to set them out straight, but then it's the internal pages, the very long tail keywords that we want to rank first. Like a good example of long tails versus short tails is like the keyword smartphone, right? What the hell is someone searching for when they type smartphone? But a long tail can be like where to buy a secondhand iPhone on the south side of Chicago. It's like the search volume for that's going to be very small, but it's if you sell secondhand iPhones on the south side of Chicago, like that's your customer. It's going to convert really, really easy.
Thank you for watching another video brought to you by my team at Invested Talent. If you're looking to amplify your message and repurpose your podcast content for your brand, make sure you text me personally at 678-679-5613. Text me repurpose at 678-679-5613, and we'll be sure to send a few gems your way so that you can help amplify your message and repurpose podcasts for your brand. We'll see you on the other side. I'll be looking.